Welcome back, and thank you for viewing my little video diary here. And today's project is a cat food divider. We're going to 3D print a little model that's going to divide some pate for my cat into 3 separate dividers. I was having a little trouble waking up and dividing it evenly, and I know at the end of the day the cat gets the whole can, but I still wanted to do it neatly and evenly. So here's the project. So here's the start of my cat food divider sketch. I define the outside of the can here, and these are the blades. The outside is the definition of the top of the blade, and the inside is the definition of the sharp edge of the blade. Okay, let's start with that. And we'll step through the drawing. So I've extended out that's going to be I guess will be the base of it. And then we extend with a construction plane. This is the depth of the can. And you use a construction plane because that way I can change the depth and not have to go through and redesign my project at all. We'll step through. So we build the bottom of the blade, and then we connect the top and the bottom with the loft command. It really took me a long time to get my head around the loft command, but now I'm quite comfortable using it. So we have a nice 3-sided blade that will divide the cat food can into 3 equal portions. So we're basically done right here. So this is more or less 3 steps. But I wanted to add something to it. So I went in and I found a graphic of a cat that I liked. And I applied another area, created a sketch, and then I drew that sketch down to create my sleepy cat. This is what we're calling it. It's the Sleepy Cat cat food divider. There you go. Go get your file on Thingiverse. Now we're in Cura. And I grab my design and orientation is I want to print the heavy end first. I like it a little bit more towards the front of my printer. Okay, this looks good. Set my slice. Save to file. Okay, we're ready to print. All right, let's see how the new toy works. So a kitty on the top and a cutter on the bottom. So we take the can of food. And we place the cutter. Okay, comes out clean, good. Perfect little cut, 3 sections. So, I think we've pretty well achieved perfection there. I'm really happy with that.